Welcome to class. In today's class, I'm going to be showing you how you can prove that a number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. And that can be extracted from the zero power law of indices. In zero power law of indices, we are meant to understand that a number raised to the power of 0 equals to what? 1. The zero power law of indices. Now, you must have seen something like this. 5 raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. 1 raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. Okay, now how do we understand the power of 0 equals to 1? Did somebody or just some set of people decide that, oh, the answer will just be 1? Okay, I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so what kind of question can you get to show that yes, a number raised to the power of 0 equals to 1? If you have something like this, 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3. Here the base numbers are the same, 5 and 5, and the powers are the same, 3 and 3. So if I'm going to solve this using indices, in indices we're meant to understand that if I'm dividing numbers, okay, I'm going to subtract their powers. So that'll be 3 minus 3. Okay, are we still following? Good. So obviously 3 minus 3 is equal to what? 0. 3 minus 3 equals to what? 0. And 5 raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. Are we sure that yes, this answer is actually correct? Because once we get to this point in indices, we just conclude easily that the answer is 1. So how do we know? How are we sure that yes, this answer is actually correct? Okay, good. So away from indices, if I'm to solve this question, 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3 in a different way, this is how I'm going to solve it. Just look at the board. That'll be 5 in 3 places, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Are we together? I'm to divide these numbers, right? Good. All right, divided by 5 raised to the power of 3 also, right? So below here, I'm going to write 5 in 3 places as well. Are we getting it? So if you have something like this in mathematics, what do? Obviously, you're going to divide, right? Good. And that is what I'm going to do here. That is 5 here, 1, 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 and 5 here, 1. So I've succeeded in crossing out all the 5s, and I've divided all my numbers to the lowest term. So what am I going to do next? Let me multiply what I have left. I have 1 all through. So let's just see. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. At the numerator side, I have 1. Okay? Over, that is divided by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. At the denominator side, I still have what? 1. And 1 divided by 1 will give us what? 1. And that is it. And this is how you can actually prove that yes, a number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So you can actually apply this using different numbers, but ensure the base numbers are the same and the powers are actually the same. At the end of the day, you realize that your answer will still be 1. Now before I go, take note. Even if you say any number raised to the power of 0 equals to 1, please, it doesn't apply to 0 raised to the power of 0. 0 raised to the power of 0 is not equals to what? 1. Okay, because I can say 0 divided by 0 equals to 1. No. In mathematics, we're meant to understand that a number divided by 0 is undefined. Undefined means the answer is not meaningful. The answer is not a defined value. So please note that 0 divided by 0 is not equals to 1. 0 raised to the power of 0 is not equals to 1. Because 0 divided by 0 cannot give you a defined value. Okay? I'm sure you've learned something to this class, and I cannot wait to see my next class. And until then, bye.